So my name is Matthew. I'm from CellBlock. Thank you for inviting us, Edmund and Sergey. We're really happy to be here. There's 3 18650s on the table there. We're going to set that off just naked, like it is, which generally wouldn't be on your aircraft unless I brought them on in my backpack, because most people don't need naked 18650 cells. The reason why I'm showing you those is because we're actually going to set off 2 power banks today. There's 3 cells just like this in that power bank. We test to 1,000 watt hours or higher. So that bag right there, I could put 10 laptops in it, and it's still not going to fail. So this is the fire shield blanket that's inside all the kits. We use this as an impervious barrier between me and that. This will never burn through. This is going to be a big pop, and those 3 cells are what's inside the battery packs that are inside the aircraft. So there's nothing on the aircraft that you could cover a fire that's that hot and not have it burn through. So again, I approached something that I knew was going to go off, I just didn't know when. And that's what you have. Now, if I had poured water on it, you would have seen those hydrogen gases. You'd have seen fumes and flames. And because you're aggravating it, it's different if you have a 5-gallon bucket of water sitting there and I'm picking that up and submersing it totally. But splashing it with water or using a water bottle to do it just sort of aggravates the whole situation. Smart? Exactly what you just saw on that cable is going to happen inside there.
160.
Alright, so with the same temperature with the other exploded. So it just exploded inside the right? A much different. Laptop is on. Get them back from airlines like that, right? Because they know they've had an instance and they don't care. They just know that they're safe. And they send it back and I give a new one because we have a lifetime warranty. We want data, which is why we have the warranty. We want you to share information with us and tell us, you know, where and when and how. I'm letting it go off like that so that you guys can see what it looks like when it goes off. Now I'm going to approach it this way.